Hello friends, welcome to our Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head, Veterinary Medicine. We will see here the important viral disease, canine parvovirus infection, part 3. In this, we will see diagnosis, treatment, prevention and control of this important viral disease, canine parvovirus infection. It is important from all aspects. See, infection of fetus also occur in pregnant bitches. When the pregnant female dog is infected with canine parvovirus 2, the fetus also gets the infection. The virus crosses the placenta to infect the fetus. This can lead to several abnormalities. We have already seen previously the clinical findings. In very mild to moderate cases, the pups can be born with neurological abnormalities such as cerebral hypoplasia. It is a serious condition in pups. We see here the diagnosis. For the diagnosis, specimen to be collected is feces and serum. Feces is the main source where the virus can be found, and in the serum, antibodies are detected. Diagnosis should be based on clinical findings. The clinical findings are very characteristic. There is no doubt about the diagnosis. Clinician can make diagnosis. The serological tests to be performed are hemagglutination, hemagglutination inhibition, serum neutralization test, FAT, and ELISA. Isolation of virus from the feces is also a confirmatory diagnosis. Detection of canine parvovirus in feces can be done by ELISA, PCR, hemagglutination test, and even by electron microscopy. So by mixing of this serum and examination of feces, the confirmatory diagnosis is possible. We continue here with the diagnosis. By examination of the blood, there is leukopenia and a low white blood cell count. Ready-made commercial diagnostic kit is also available for diagnosis of canine parvovirus infection. ECG electrocardiogram can detect the abnormalities of the heart. Necropsy lesions are the characteristic lesion, pathological lesion in two parts which is constantly involved are intestine and the heart. We see here the treatment. Survival rate depends on many factors. One, the quick diagnosis and the quick treatment. The age of the dog. More the age of the dog, more survival rate. Less the age of the dog, less survival. Severity of canine parvovirus infection. More severe disease, less chance of survival. Less severity, more chance of the survival. Aggressive treatment if given, the chance of survival rate increases. As this parvovirus infection is a viral disease, there is no specific treatment. We continue the treatment. Supportive care is very much important. Supportive care by crystalloid intravenous fluid and or colloid fluids. Balance electrolyte solution intravenous. B complex vitamins, intravenous dextrose and potassium chloride. If properly given with intensive care, chances of recovery is more. As symptoms is vomition and nausea, anti-nausea drug, anti-emetics medication can be given. See, parvovirus infection is very serious. So extensive hospitalization is very important. There is severe dehydration and potential damage to intestine and bone marrow. So this requires extensive hospitalization. You know that there is immunosuppression, there is damage to intestinal cell wall. So bacteria may cross the intestinal wall and enter into blood, may produce systemic infection. So broad spectrum antibiotic injection is a must. That will also increase the survival rate. Analgesic medication helps to relieve the pain. We see here the prevention and control. Implementation of strict hygienic measures in the canal is very much important because feces excretes the virus and dog to dog contact by contact of the feces spread the disease. So strict hygienic measures will stop the spread of the canine parvovirus. Immediate segregation of the infected from normal healthy dogs. Another important step, segregation. Many commercial vaccinations are available. I have not mentioned those here, but it can be performed as per the manufacturer's instruction. It can prevent the parvovirus infection. So prevention is a must by proper vaccination program. Friends, you have observed a very important disease video, parvovirus infection. Request to share to all owners, attendants, veterinarians, and veterinary students. It will be very much helpful to all. To promote the channel, requested to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.